And we look, for example, for fifth courses, we look four courses, the 2 nuclear courses, and we can strong nuclear courses.
Alright guys, so like I said, here's the new cash register. We got all the products loaded up. It has a whole bunch of different cash drawers. It's actually one that's kind of spring loaded. Oh shoot, I locked it. See? But yeah, before I was just using a regular cash box, and to me, this looks a million times better. Let me know what you guys think. Do you think this looks official? I kind of like the white, even though typically I buy like all black technology, but I figured these stands only came in white, so it'd only be right to get the cash register to match it. Da, da, da.